what, Tritron or something?
No,
Panasonic?
no, I think it's called symphonic.
Yeah, it's a cheap one.
It's cheap. I forgot this was here on.
Morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Your Honor.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for an arraignment on a Jason Boyd Gonzalez. This case has an offense date of December 14th of this year. Brian, you're going to sign on this, correct?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the information on this misdemeanor complaint on Jason Boyd Gonzalez is the truth, best knowledge, and belief?
I do.
It's a alleged offense date of 14th of December. Joseph Gonzalez is the complainant victim. 1 count of domestic violence, a 93-day misdemeanor. I'm signing the complaint. Mr. Gonzalez, you have an attorney present. He's going to put his appearance on the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez. We'll waive a formal reading. Stand mute, please.
Gonzalez, I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm doing some paperwork. Sit tight. We're to the bond portion of this case. Officer Castellini, go ahead.
We're just removing a 5,000, 10% bond. If you can't do that, we'll take a no contact order.
Well,
That's just pretty much our standard.
Mr. Gonzalez lives on my register of actions at a Pine Street address in Huron Township. Agreed? And
Yes.
the location of the offense is 29380 Pine Drive, Huron Township. I take it that Joseph Gonzalez lives there, correct?
He's
That
there
is
all
correct,
night.
Okay. Go ahead, Dan.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Gonzalez tells me he has no prior criminal history. He's employed as a truck driver with Midwest Logistics. The complainant in this case is his 20-year-old son. I'm asking you to consider a personal bond. He's going to have some issues because he won't be able to go back to that house. I've told him he can do a civil standby if you are not willing to allow him to return back to the residence, Judge.
Mr. Gonzalez, you're working, correct?
Yes, I am. Hopefully I still got a job, but yes, I am working.
And Brian, you have no issues with the attorney's motion for a personal bond with conditions, correct?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Gonzalez, pay close attention to detail. You can't have any contact with the complainant victim in this case. You can't have any third-party contact. That means you can't send a message to a family member or friend. No cell phone, text messaging, or any social media contact. For right now, you can't return to 29380 Pine Drive. You can make an appointment with the Huron Township Police Department, and they'll do what's called a civil standby. They'll go there with you so you can get what you need to live between now and this case is adjudicated, and you can discuss the bond conditions with the next judge that hears this case. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Your pre-trial date is December 30th of this year.
December 30th?
And that's
okay.
going to be at 9 a.m. No, correction, I'm messing up. It's going to be on January 28th
January 28th?
Get away with no whiteout today. January 28th. And that's going to be at 9:10 a.m.
9:10 a.m., okay.
And that's
I have to
January
figure out how to do
28th, 2021. 9:10 a.m. Zoom at the 34th District Court. You'll get a notice. We have contact information for Mr. Gonzalez. I have a cell phone that ends in 2454. Do we agree?
Yes,
And you'll get your new address to the officer.
I probably might be staying in my truck for a while, Your Honor.
Bonds, well, then your cell phone will be your communication. Do you have an email address?
Gonzo, Gonzo, 1675,
Gonzo
1675 at Gmail.
Pay close attention to your email and your cell phone for the communication from the court on the next date.
Yes,
I've
sir.
given it to you today. It's the 28th of January, 2021, 9:10 a.m. Your bond's $5,000 personal with those conditions.
Okay.
Brian, the case number is 20-1697.
Thank you.
And Dan, you're happy, correct?
Yes, Judge.
So we're all set.
Oh. No.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, you heard what the judge said. Good luck. Just make sure you
Yes, I
appear by
did.
Zoom for court for that next hearing, okay?
Yes, I do. I do it by what?
It's going to be by Zoom, virtual.
All right.
So just
I
make sure you
figured out how to
do a civil standby. Talk to the officers about that to get your truck and any property you need, okay?
Yeah, I'll have to do that right now because I got to find out how to get there, get my truck so I can get back and forth to work and get clothes.
Okay, well, we'll be able to help you.
You got someone you can call right now?
I get my cell phone, but I have no one I can really call or know where I can go besides the people that live there at that address.
Well, we'll see what we can figure out. I'll let you make some phone calls and hopefully we can figure something out.
In the meantime, I guess I'll be waiting here. I have my phone's in the locker right now.
Yeah, we can get that all out. All right.
We're all set?
Yeah, we're all set, right?
Yeah, you're all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Yeah, I don't know who called. Only person I called, my mom, to take my vet. She's the only take me there.
Where's she at?
Same house.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm screwed. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Once I get my paper, that's where I'm staying for the time.
Yeah, well.
The only, like I was trying to tell him and Aaron, my son and I work 2 different shifts. We're not at the house at the same time. I got all the visas. I work night times. I'm used to I'm going to work.
Over the road right here?
Good morning, Romulus.
Good morning. Sorry, I went to the wrong courtroom.
That's okay. You have Fairchild first, correct?
Sure.
All right, let's do Fairchild first. I'll get them into a breakout room.
All right.